You've built a business that you love, but the tech funnels and systems behind it drive you absolutely nuts. If that's you, then you've landed in the right place. Here, I'll show you how to cut through the chaos and finally get your marketing and sales systems working for you, not against you. Whether it's funnels that actually convert or a client onboarding system that feels effortless or an automation that saves you hours each week, you'll find practical, easy to follow tutorials and tips right here on this channel. I'm Mari, the founder of Launch Funnel Studio. I'm a certified online business consultant and funnel strategist, and I've helped many ambitious female entrepreneurs and business owners build scalable systems that free up their time, grow their revenue, and give them the confidence to focus on what they do best. So if you're here to simplify your business, ditch the overwhelm, and create systems that actually work, hit subscribe and join me here every week for tips and strategies that will make running your business feel so much lighter.